Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study about the topic graph theory. What is graph? Graph is a nonlinear data structure and it has two components, that is vertices and edges. And vertices is also called as nodes. It is composed of a set of vertices V and a set of edges E and denoted by G of VE. And an edge is an ordered pair, that is a connection between two vertex. Here there is an example of graph. Here four vertex and four edges in this graph. Graph data structure widely used in real life application. First one is social network. We are we are all using social network like Facebook, Instagram, and each user is represented as a vertex and their activities, suggestion and friend list are represented as an edge between the vertex. Next one is Google Maps. Various locations are represented as vertices and roads are represented as edges in map. And graph theory is used to find shortest path between two nodes in Google Maps. Next application is a recommendation on e-commerce website. That is when we are using e-commerce website like Flipkart, Amazon, the it is showing like the recommendation for you section on various e-commerce website. These recommended items of similar type to user's choice. It is an example for graph theory. Next graph application is it is used to study molecules in chemistry and physics. Next, we are going to study about some terms about graph. That is loop. What is loop? In a graph, an edge having the same vertex as both its end vertices is called a loop. Here, E4 is a loop. That is, in V3 vertex, there is a self loop. If two or more edges have same end vertices, such edges are called parallel edges. Here E2 and E1 are parallel edges that has same end vertices, that is V1 and V2. Next we are going to study about simple graph. What is simple graph? A graph that has neither loops or parallel edges is called a simple graph. Here there is two examples. It in graph first graph there is no self loop and parallel edges. In second graph also it has no parallel edges and loops, so it is simple graph. Here V1 and V2 that is called adjacent vertices. Thank you. Please subscribe and share.